Hey guys, so this is a motor, what is it, K20?
K20A2.
K20A2 motor, and right now he's getting the jackhammer
what are
thingy
these?
and taking some bolts out.
What are those?
These nuts. These nuts.
She's stripped. She's totally ready. It's about as ready as you can get. Other than maybe the oil squirters, but I don't think those are gonna be a big deal. That and the coolant plug. But like the other one, it's still on there, but everything else is totally removed. Kind of a slow or well, quick video, I suppose. Kind of a quick video. Gonna order I'm gonna start ordering parts. I gotta get the pistons, the rods, bearings, and I think that'll be enough to get me into the machine shop. Yeah, so this is where we sit. Motor strip, that's supported and polished head, and that's what we're gonna be using. So we're gonna take that to SuperTech valve train. We already have Wiseco pistons, Manley rods. Basically, we're gonna build a tough motor here. So now we just need to go shopping. Either way, that's gonna do it for this one. I know it's kind of short compared to the rest, but the rest were also like ultra condensed. Trying to keep the talking to a minimum so that way I don't bore you guys to death and just get more work done. And it's a win-win for everybody, I suppose. So if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Especially if you're interested in this kind of stuff. I think you'll get a kick out of all this. Especially if I keep buying damaged motors. Follow me on social media. I'm on Twitter, Instagram, obviously YouTube, Twitter, I said Twitter, Facebook. We have a Facebook page, facebook.com/the PGH Production. All the links are down below. I also have a website if you want to know more about the channel. And you can also see how hot it is in my garage, which right now, being in Arizona, it's 97 degrees. Yeah, and more things to come. So we're gonna order parts, and still got more projects to do on the RSX, things that aren't motor related. But yeah, so we'll get cracking and do that. So till the next time, take it easy, and we'll see you later.
I'm a true champion.